If you're missing home and you wish you did a yard right now, well, I got you. This was definitely worth the 30-minute drive, because when I tell you, it feel like I literally stepped into another dimension, like me just jump back a yard, because them have everything. No, none of my family member them have to hide from me when them a go to Jamaica, because trust and believe me, not ask you no more for bring me back nothing. So yeah, they had the chubby that I grew up with, they have the red stripe, and y'all, they had chiffon butter. I don't know which one's better, Anka or chiffon, comment below. Then on top of them have the crackers, oh my gosh, and my rough top. I never thought I would be able to eat these cookie biscuits. If you don't know, you know they're amazing. No more them dry bun because their buns are so soft. Get ready for mash up the curry goat because they got the ram it up. And if you're hosting, hello, rum punch. So if you're also looking to send a barrel, they actually do the barrel packing and shipment here as well. Yeah, this just literally brought tears to my eyes because now I have my Jamaican supermarket. Do you guys remember Ludi? Oh my god. I'll make sure to put the address in the comments below.